Okay, so what's happened is because I love Taylor Swift, and I love her song, Safe and Sound. It's my favorite song on the face of the earth, and my favorite book, The Hunger Games, and my favorite movie when it comes out. But I decided to learn it on the piano, even though I've never really played the piano before. But I've tried it, and I've been practicing for like 5 hours, and I've learned the first part of Safe and Sound, and when I learn the rest, I'll put it on. But I've just learned the first part, and I will start learning more songs and start posting them more. But if it's a little rough, it's because it's my first time, and yeah. So, okay. That's all I've learned so far, so thanks for watching.